Hey guys, another live trade here. I entered a pretty decent sized position. Dash, I'm actually really down on it though right now, okay? I'm not worried about it because I'm only like in a $3,000 position, which can just be laddered a lot more. And I'm bearish anyways on it, so I don't really care about it right now. So don't worry about Dash. So the reason I entered IOTA was because when we got to the 74 cent range right there, okay? The 74-cent range, I saw a big hidden wall, okay? Huge hidden wall. So naturally, the whole level 2 price action was starting to shatter it, right? And I did say there was going to be one more wave up, didn't I? Right? I said there's going to be one more wave up right there, and guess what, guys? There we go. There's the last wave. You guys see it? Now that we get to the very last wave, we adjust our Elliott wave, or sorry, we adjust our Fibonacci count. And I'm just going to target literally just 1%, okay? 1.5%. So I should be in a very, very good shape right here. And I don't worry about this, guys, about my Dash position, okay? I'm already 6 cents up. I'm already $240 up on each one right there. I'm only at 27 cents, which is actually only like a tiny percentage to come down out of there, okay? So now I look here and I say to myself, all right, this is definitely bearishly diverging, time to short it. Bearishly diverging with the histogram coming downwards. Not only the histogram coming downwards, but also the bearishly diverging RSI with the lower highs as well, right? So the lower highs are really important to take note of. So we're at the 36 range right now. Not too much is going on. I think the bears are definitely trying to fight them right now. So I'm going to go to a 3-minute chart and see what's going on here, okay? I'm not really going to be looking at Neo. So I'm just going to change this to a 3 chart instead. It's a lot nicer looking as well. So there we go. So Dash. I should probably put this one the second one. Why would I want it in there? Okay, IOTA, Bitfinex. And I'll put this on Dash here, okay? There we go. Now we're going to go to a 3-minute chart to see how this is holding up right now. Alright, so it's at 75.38 ranges so far. That's okay. I'm cool with that. Let's see how this bad boy holds up right here, okay? Let's go check out Dash as well. Am I really down a lot? A little bit, but not really much. They're trying really hard to drive it up here, if you guys have noticed, okay? But you gotta notice on the 3-hour chart, it's extremely high. On the 6-hour chart, it's really high. 12-hour chart, not there yet. So we're looking at it on some different time frames, we'll say. Like on these time frames, I'd probably say I can't see it breaking out of here, guys. Like honestly, I cannot see it breaking out right now on Dash. Not for a little bit, okay? This is making a really weird 5th wave here. So I'm just gonna put another 20. So I'm just going to take it very, very slow, right? Yeah, I'm going to take it very slow on Dash as well. I'm going to try to manage multiple positions at once here. Okay. 72.30, 72.39, I'll say. All right, now let's go look at IOTA. I haven't gone long once, guys. I haven't gone long once yet. Like the whole time since I've been trading yesterday and today. Alright guys, it's starting to move down here. Check it out, okay? It's starting to move down. We're already $200 up here. We'll deal with those other coins another time right there, okay? But trust me, this is the 5-wave count, guys. 1, 2, 3, then somebody's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trust me, this is the 5-wave count. This is it right here, okay? I'm just literally right here. Just tiny, tiny, tiny. Oh yeah, this is so bearishly diverging right now. Let's go check it on the 3-minute chart to see how this is doing too. So I want to explain to you guys why I went into this trade for... You don't really have a lot of time, right? You got to make sure you're managing your time really well. So just count it, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Simple as that, guys. It's making a 5-wave right there. So we're just going to take it from the beginning here and just go for Fibonacci from down here. Right, this is the 5 count short, guys. So we're going to go for at least 72.79, I'd say. 72.79. I've got mine at 72.7. So I'm in really, really good shape right now already. So now let's go check out Dash. I'm down a little bit on Dash right here, but that's okay. Like, it's gonna eventually come down. Like, look at it. It's just ridiculous right now. But it might just pop up though. Like, that's the thing. It might just pop up. So I might just be very, very patient here. So let's take a look at Metaverse and see how this guy's doing too. Metaverse is one of those interesting coins right now that have gone up really, really high. It's gone up about 16%. So there's a good chance that it's going to drop down like a few percentages. Like it's moving very heavily right now. Like volatility wise, it's pretty heavy, guys. So I would like to maybe just add a tiny... Actually, no, I'm cool. I don't want to focus on trading too many coins at once, okay? If you focus on trading too many coins at once, your energy gets completely diverted, right? So let's just do me a favor and actually just completely get off of that screen. Because I am down like $200. Whoa, I'm going to be really down on Dash soon, but that's okay though. I'm going to add tons. Think about it. If I'm only in a $6,000 position, but then I add $60,000 to my short position, it completely negates, right? Completely negates and offsets the base average, the price. So let's see what this ends up becoming. Oh, look at that. The price action is looking great. This is completely drifting down right now. Such a strong chance for me to actually close my position right here, which is going to be right there at the baseline of that moving average, right? So once again, the reason why I entered this trade again for IOTA is because we now have a 5-wave count, right? Check it out. Like this is obviously a 5 count right here based on Elliott wave. 1, 2, 3, 4 et 5, mes amis. Right? That's a 5 count right there. And I'm being so conservative. I'm not going to get greedy. I'm just going to target it right there at the 236 Fibonacci level. And that's exactly where it's probably going to get to. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be in some really good profit over here. I got 40,000 there. IOTA, which will look like a short-term wall, definitely, right? Let's just maybe start shedding off a little bit as well. Right, let's just go to 9,999 here. Maybe I can go, I can shed off a tiny bit more, actually. I really should. I just don't want to get one more subwave, that's the truth. But I don't think there will be one more subwave. Dash, I'm completely getting obliterated in my trade, but that's okay. I'm expecting it to go up like that, right? Like I mentioned, this is not worried. I'm not worried at all, guys. It's only $200 down or something. Let's add another 10 to my position here for Dash. We're just gonna manage all these trades like a boss while we do all this right here. Okay, it's okay. Dash, is Bitcoin picking up or something? We gotta take a look at the level 2, right? Bitcoin's level 2 is looking pretty neutral right now. It's still going to 97. It's getting really high on RSI. So I'm just going to be extremely patient. I'll get my base price average down a little bit later. Right, so let's see what's happening right here for IOTA still. Okay, huge wicks right here. I don't think it's going to break this right here, guys. I think it's going to make maybe an ascending triangle first, right? It's definitely not going to break that. It's going to retrace something down here first of all, okay? Because we do have a really nasty doji candle that's actually forming here already. So what is this alert? ETC over 5 minutes. Let's go check out ETC really quickly as well. Actually, now let's go fill up some more short positions for Dash. Let's get another 20 right here, okay? So now I'll be in a position for 70. That's a now $13,000 position, which is exactly around, I want to be around the $25,000 position. So I'm getting very comfortable here, I'd have to say. Okay, IOTA's bouncing back and forth right now. Back and forth like a yo-yo. Right, so nothing is quite happening yet, but the RSI is definitely not getting too high. I don't even care about ETC, guys. I'm not even going to check on it, okay? Every coin is reaching some pretty high numbers right now, right? But I don't want to lose focus. It's very important for you guys to stay focused on the coin that you are trading. Do not, guys, do not lose focus of the coin that you are trading. Don't get greedy and start moving around to different coins. Just because you see volatility and opportunity, focus on the coin that you are trading. Ladder it. Manage that position of yours. It's very important that you guys are diligent with your position, and this is managed accordingly. You guys got to remember that it's always about protecting your money, right? Let's wait for bearishly diverging RSI, and then I'm going to add a lot more to my short. Let's go check out IOTA, see what she's doing here. 3-minute chart is the best chart for me to be playing on right now. All right, so IOTA 3-minute charts, definitely looking pretty bearish, guys. It's hitting this type of candle formation right here, okay? All right, this is like an ascending type of triangle, right? Yeah, like that. Oh, there we go. Dash is going down now. Haha, I got my 70 filled just in time. Maybe it wasn't enough. That's okay. But if that was enough, awesome. Let's take a look at it on an Elliott wave perspective. This could be an A, B, C. Maybe that's a third wave going up. Never know what that is, but let's just keep it one structure at a time. That's a very nasty rejection candle right there, okay? So I'd have to sell it about 192.27 just to break even. Let's go for a pretty aggressive. It's not gonna be the best trade. Whatever. Right? It's literally gonna be a horrible trade here. But it was all limit orders. I go for a 0.3% gain. That sounds really crappy, right? But I made a mistake there. I'm not laddering it accordingly. I don't have the time management right now. This time is literally just running out. So Bitcoin's really falling down hard right now, and so is every other coin because Bitcoin is, okay? So that my Dash position, guys, I tweeted on Twitter, like I almost broke even on it. I actually made $40, which was not bad. Like I made 40 bucks on it. I closed it a little bit early. But I want to manage everything going on here, right? So it's in my best interest to not really be worrying too much about other coins right now and just focus on the top coins that I'm trading, which is basically IOTA, right? So I'm now in a really, really big position for IOTA, guys. I'm in a decent sized position. I got a lot more that I can play, but I won't play. I was tempted to transfer a lot more over, guys, but it's not going to happen. I'm in an $83,000 position right now. Okay, 83K is pretty big, I would say. I don't want to play more than that. So the bulls are coming in here, trying to hold it up on level 2, but that's not really going to happen, I don't think. Yeah, this doesn't look like it's going to hold, to be honest. Okay, it looks like it's going to break down. This looks like an ending fifth wave of some sort. Man, I just think it's going to break down. Guys, I'm still kind of chilling here and waiting, having an afternoon beer. It's a Bud Light, just so you guys know, it's a Bud Light. Someone brought it over. It's not my actual choice to drink Bud Light. I prefer Innis and Gunn. It's a Scottish beer. I prefer their rum finish. That's kind of my drink beer of choice right there, okay? But I'm just chilling, guys. Honestly, I'm just chilling and waiting right now. 15-minute, nothing is really about to come down quite yet, but I think we're gonna get our ending fifth wave diagonal, and then it will come down. And then c'est fini. And I think the uptrend's gonna be done, actually. Like, look how over... It's so crazy right now. Like, it's just a matter of patience, honestly. You guys feel the anticipation? I feel the anticipation. Anybody get that? So, it's just a matter of the waiting game, guys. That's all we're gonna do. I'm now in a position for... Pretty big position, actually. I'm in a huge position. I'm in a $91,000 position, almost 100K. All right, guys, it looks like it's heading down. Oh yeah, it's heading down. The wick just punctured where I am right here. Do you guys see that? This is on its ways down, man. See you guys when I'm in profit, 1,000 up. Look how hard Bitcoin's getting dropped right now, and also IOTA. I'm pretty much break even already. I mean, I'm only down $20. Look at Bitcoin right here, though. Look at the amount of red. This guy's selling 10, 10, 10, 10. Ooh, it's a lot of Bitcoin. I don't think it's going to hold up, guys. I really don't think it's going to hold here at all. These guys are just shattering it too hard. Look at this. 10 again. That's another 10 right there, right? So this is 10 total. That's 10 right there. Like, the bears are just crapping on them right now. Looks like there's a lot, but there's really not, guys. Like, the volume is so heavy. I don't think that this is going to be profitable for the bulls in any way. Very, very sure that the bears have completely taken over right now. Yeah, I can't even... I don't think the bulls are even going to come close to winning this, you know? I just want to put my watch away. Always take care of your watch, guys, you know? Really, every time you guys are done with your watch, always take care of your watch, okay? I have a nice watch collection now, and I always make sure that it's well taken care of. As you guys should also take care of yours. I don't have like a massively expensive watch collection, like, don't get me wrong. But, you know, I do like to take care of my watches, right? Because I think it's really important. Anyways. This is one of my favorite ones I have. It's just like a really inexpensive Michael Kors, believe it or not. So anyways, I can't put this one away. I forgot. I moved a lot of links on it. It's kind of annoying sometimes, but that's all right. So what's Bitcoin doing? Or what's IOTA doing, rather? I'll be back later, guys, when there's more of an update. Still just kind of kicking around here right now. All right, so this is a very pivotal moment right now for Bitcoin. What we're noticing clearly is this region right here, right? Versus this region right there, okay? You guys see what I'm talking about? Do you guys see these lines right here? Okay, let me zoom in so you guys can see it very clearly. This region, clearly a higher price. Higher price action is what we say. But if you compare the RSI, this one's got a much, much lower RSI. These are some of my criterias, right, where I look for bearishly diverging signs. Bearishly diverging signs basically refers to Alright guys, I highlighted two regions right here for you guys to see, okay? Let's see if it's visible enough. Alright guys, it is lesson time. I'm really bored right now, so I tried really hard to think of some lessons to teach you guys during these types of trends right now, okay? So this lesson will be higher highs for price action versus higher lows for RSI, okay? So if you guys take a look right here, these two vertical lines that you see, right? First of all, we're going to draw a sloped support line that has been established for the past 24 hours. Now, day traders live one day at a time. What we're noticing on Bitcoin is that this region right there, where my mouse is clearly higher priced than there, right? So the price action is definitely like on a higher range. But if you look at the RSI, what you see is that right here, where even though the price was higher here, it's actually lower in strength, right? So that's really important to make note of. Also, this is called the histogram, right? This region where it had the higher RSI is actually higher in histogram, but now the histogram's a lot lower here. So when we do these types of comparisons, we can automatically assume that this region where we are at right now is actually very weak. Not only that, if this breaks down right here, guys, it's probably going to break down to a reasonable amount. We'll probably, first of all, I only test it I only play a little bit at a time, right? I only play one small region at a time, a few percentages at a time. So if it breaks down there, I'm not saying to go long there. I'm saying that we will most likely find support around here for a very short time period first, because that's where the interim support was. Now, how does this relate to my other coins? Well, this relates to my other coins because I'm in a short position for IOTA, right? So if Bitcoin does break down from here into this region, then that will also mean that IOTA will also break down into my region roughly to right there, where I'm in a $100,000 position. You guys can take a look at it for yourself if you don't believe me. I'm in a $100,000 IOTA position. All of my orders are actually hidden, and I'm okay to talk about this because IOTA's got a $10 million volume. All right, guys. All right. Come on, baby. Drop, baby. Look at that. Bitcoin just is going to fall off of a cliff right here. Okay, Bitcoin's going to fall off of a cliff right here. So because Bitcoin's going to fall off of a cliff into here, all of my positions are going to get executed, no doubt. Every coin is going to follow suit, guys. Trust me, okay? It's going to fall down very well. I actually want to start just shedding a little bit here, but let's see how this goes. Look at Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin just getting hammered on right now. Look at the level 2 price action. Look at the price action here. Oh man, the level 2 is just getting destroyed right now. That's so nice. So I think we're going to find support somewhere down here first, right? I was actually 100% right, which is kind of cool. Yeah, I'm very excited about that. People are just buying though. The bulls are like starting to step in right now. Is this just gonna be a long wick or something? Aw, man, don't be a long wick. This sucks so bad right now. Come on. I really don't want this to happen. Damn, this really does suck, guys. I just want to put at the bottom here. Are the bulls stepping in or are they not? Oh no, the bulls are stepping in. It's not going to break down out of it, guys. It's not coming down. Damn, I thought it really was. But the RSI is so low in the 1 minute chart that I just think they're waiting for it to reset a little bit. Going to try to get back into that zone above 70.86, and it's just going to get simply shot back down, I think. Wow, they actually got back in, guys. Check that out. Check that out right here, okay? You guys see this right here? Oh man, this is so irritating right now. shots. It's supposed to be like a descending kind of triangle, but it clearly didn't work out to be that way. Bitcoin's starting to spike up a little bit now, but the volume's fading off. Can it get back into the original zone over there? That's bullish. Yowzers, lots of pressure right now for the bulls and for the bears. They're just trying to fight each other pretty hard right now. Yeah, I couldn't tell you guys what's going on really. Other than just waiting. That's all we can really do for now, guys. Massive, massive fight. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait. Just gonna wait. I'll be back in a bit, guys. Just a waiting game now. Nice. Bitcoin didn't even make it up there at all. Now they're just getting shot back down again. Same thing with IOTA, okay? This was kind of like a dead cat bounce there. I'm watching on a 1 minute chart right now because I'm very motivated to see how this plays out. Yeah, it's getting really, really hurt right now, IOTA. This guy's trying to come to the rescue with 50,000, but I think someone's just gonna end up shattering him right away. I don't think this is gonna do anything, guys. Like, the bulls are not gonna win this fight. I'm definitely not gonna win it, okay? I'm mixing up right now between my hidden orders, right? See what Bitcoin's up to here. Nothing really. We're just gonna go back and forth. This guy's trying to hold right here at the line. Do you see? He's trying to hold at 760, right? But that's not a lot, guys. Honestly, if I wanted to market execute right now, I can market execute all of that if I wanted to. I can market execute 9. Do you guys see right here? If I wanted to, I can add another 90,000 IOTA. I'm not worried. I can even transfer more for my funding or for my exchange wallet where there's a lot more, we'll say. And I can smash anybody's wall if they're trying to hold it up. Just put it that way, okay? So I'm not really flattered in any way that these guys are trying right now. I'm not even close to impressed, okay? Put it that way. Although I am getting a little nervous that the price action is not really as well as I would like it, especially on the level 2 price action here. Super slow. Nothing's really happening yet. Let's see on the 1 hour. Like, it's so brutal on the 1 hour right here, you know? The histogram does not really want to tick up anymore. 45-minute chart, the histogram is getting so low. The 30-minute chart is getting so low, bro. Yeah, man, like, it seems like it just wants to come down, to be honest. Like, there's nothing that can stop it from coming down, in my opinion. Like, we're getting so many bearish candles already, guys. It was most likely the very final wave that went upwards. If it is the final wave that went up, all right, then we're done. These guys are all done too. Bitcoin's still getting crapped on right now. It just cannot maintain any type of... Look at this. There's so much pressure for it to come down. They tried to go to the 67 range. It's coming down now at the 65 range. Now this is going to get chipped away eventually. Watch, okay? It's going to get chipped away very, very hard. I'll be back in like 2 minutes. Okay, here we go. Like the 76 is getting pushed here, right? 76 is definitely getting pushed. We see it. Oh, it already broke. A guy already broke 46,000. See? Did you guys see that? He just broke it right there. 46,000. He just shattered it. And these are just the remnants of whatever's left right there. Because someone felt the pressure on Bitcoin to push it down too, probably, okay? Yeah, there's not a lot of buyers, which means that it's in a weak place. So there's a lot of sellers. Does that make sense, guys? Okay? I'm going to start shedding off just a little bit. I don't want to be greedy. All right, I want to make sure that I'm taking some of my profit when I can. Because I don't want to try to take all of my profit later. That would just be brutal. There's not much at all. Like, I don't have a lot. I'm just going to shed off very slowly. The market depth is actually huge right now. Bitcoin's just slowing down. Let's see if any of the algorithms come in now, if any institutions are starting to trade, or if it's just retail investors, okay? You can tell the difference between, if you look at the seconds, right? You'll see a second, as in, you know, 05, 06, 07, 08, 09, right? You know what I mean? 10, 11, 12. It'll just keep showing up on there. And that's how you know right away that there's going to be a lot of institutions that are coming in to sell. Look at this guy. He's trying to buy even more, right? He put another 50,000 there now. So is he misleading us? I don't know. Or is he just trying to hold it up very, very temporarily? Because if he does hold it up temporarily, he can fill up his short positions, right? But what we do have to acknowledge is that this region right there is kind of like the region where if it breaks, it's going to break, right? That's kind of how I see it right here. So right there. I don't think it can get back up there. I think it's gonna definitely just come downwards. It's very difficult for me to assume that it's gonna come up. See the guy that's 7,600? He's gone already. I don't even know where he is. I think he was just trying to spoof the market there. 65 is not really going down, but there's a lot of pressure right now. I mean, how high is Bitcoin really gonna bounce up right now? So it fell down already, right? First time it's fallen below the 55 EMA, and it's actually getting shut down pretty hard. Lots of sellers. There's a 73. This one's going to find a reaction right away too. It's going to be a very strong reaction. There we go, guys. They're the people that are starting to drive it down, okay? I just want to shut off a little bit of my position size. Yeah, right there, right? I just want to shut off a little bit. Nothing too crazy, nothing too extreme, like the amount that I'm shedding. Right? I just don't want to have everything in one big go. Oh, look at that. Bitcoin's just really filling up now. Nice. Okay. Lots of my positions are getting just hammered right now by the bears. Nice. There we go. There we go. Everything is looking really good right now. I don't even need to make this hidden anymore. Does not even matter whatsoever if it's hidden or not, guys. I got this. I got this. This is gonna be my $2,000 day. Okay. I'm just gonna put up my walls right here. There we go. There we go, guys. There we go. I told you, fuck. I'm really good at trading lately, man. Seriously. Really easy. You guys know what I mean? I know you guys know what I mean. Well, market execute that bad boy right there. I got 40,000 here still. Let's see what we can do here. I'm already up $1,000. Let's do this for a hidden wall, actually, okay? Let's do this for a hidden wall. And we'll put this one right here at 75603 or something like that. Okay, Bitcoin is still spiking up there. It's gonna try to get up there a little bit right now, but it's not gonna happen. Trust me, guys. Trust me, it's not gonna get up there. There's a 76 range. I don't want to make $550. I want to make way more than that. Did you guys see that spike right there? Right. So now what's gonna generally happen, in my opinion, is that it tries to actually break back into the bullish territory, but it's obviously gonna fail because it already did fail coming downwards, right? So if you guys look, it's so cold here right now, man. Like I feel like I'm coming down with a cold now because it's like 12 degrees. Yeah, a lot of people are calling me right now because this is happening, right? So yeah, there you go, guys. That was really easy, right? Honestly, that was really easy in my opinion. I'm just gonna start shedding off even more now. I'll put this at 57, like 27 or something like that. Oh, no, I don't want that. I don't want that. I'll just put down like 5,000. I didn't mean to do that at all. Accident. Right, guys. So I started shedding off some of my position already, right? And you guys saw that I'm up about 1,200 earlier, and I'm up something like 800 today. Cheers. Cheers. Really easy $2,000 day, guys, right? I used my strategy that I've been using for a very long time, if you guys have noticed, okay? And I don't screw around when it comes to my strategy. It's my strategy. I invented it for myself. I love my strategy. I'm really good at my strategy. Anybody can knock it off if they want to. I don't really care, but I firmly believe that I'm doing something awesome and it's working really well. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Cheers to a $2,000 day so far. If you guys have been listening to me about IOTA, wicked. You're up quite a bit with me. So thank you for believing in me, guys. All right, guys, here we go. It's looking like it's going to close my position right away, honestly. Bitcoin's just taking a nosedive right now. It really is taking a nosedive. All these other coins are following suit right now. I'm a big wall, okay? I'm a huge wall, just so you guys know. Right around this range over here. It's not really that big of a wall, I guess, but I'm gonna make it hidden. I gotta eat up the fee. I don't want people to see me. Let's just put it at 35. Update my order. And let's just see how the market's gonna react to it, okay? I'm right around there at 35. People have no idea that I'm actually even there. Yeah, they have no idea that I'm even here, guys. Bitcoin's driving the market down right now. I can just tell. My instincts are pretty killer. This guy's dropping 17. I'm at 7,635. So I'm literally like right around here somewhere. People just don't see it, right? Now, there we go. I removed my wall now. So I'm going to make a really nice profit here before I leave to go watch my movie tonight. Yeah, it's getting driven down hard. I can just sense it. But not quite there yet. Oh, ooh, the rebound. Oh, the spike, crap. That was a really good spike, man. Let's see how this is gonna play out though, okay? I think it's still gonna go down for much further than that though. See, I had a chance to close it right there at 765. I was really close on my end there. So even though I'm up 400 something dollars, I'm not really up as much as you guys might think. Come on, bulls are really trying to take it over right now still, you know? This is kind of weird. I can't really tell if this is an ascending triangle, but I don't think it's an ascending triangle. I just think it's way too weak. See how it's getting a series of basically similar price, but it's getting lower highs and getting lower lows at the same time, right? So I think a lot of people are just filling up their short positions right now. See how it's bouncing off of this EMA right there? Yeah, I don't know, man. It's making me a little bit nervous, to be honest, and I gotta go right away. Yeah, I don't want to spike up the market either. I mean, I got 90,000. Like, come on, that's a lot, right, guys? Whew. Let's see what happens here. I think it's gonna take a nosedive down, though. It's my opinion. I literally just got a shower, so excuse my appearance right now. I'll be back in a bit when there's more news. Okay. All right, it's still diving down very hard right now. 735. Can they actually breach it? I'm not that far from there, you know. Not far at all. 766, 766. Do you guys see this? Right here is where I am. Like right around these guys. There we go. Starting to drive it down hard. There we go. Papa Whale, Mama Whale's gonna make a lot of motherfucking money today. Easy day, guys. I don't even know what I'm at today now. Like, I've been shedding and managing this position all day already, and like, I'm quite up. Just put it that way, okay? I'm quite up today already. I really don't know exactly what I'm at, to be honest. Bitcoin's just gonna get driven down even more. 735. I'm not gonna make this hit anymore, okay? I'm gonna unhide it. There you go. I just show them it right there, okay? I don't mind showing them it. There we go. Look at that. They're just driving it down. There's me right there. They think I'm a wall, but I'm not really. Let's just be smart about it and just I'm gonna take out 20, okay? There we go. Right, I'm just gonna make it a little bit better like that. 7, 6, 4, 1, 9. I'll go this, okay? Yeah, let's see if I can fill it up here. Now it doesn't look like it's that bad, right? Because it's loosening up the walls, etc. Do you guys see what I mean? So when it does get driven down, it doesn't look like there's one gigantic mega wall that's blocking it, right? So the bulls and the bears are certainly fighting right now for iota. I'm quite up already though, so I'm cool with whatever. I don't really know if I could spike up the market, but I really don't want to do that, right? Like now it's getting spiked up really hard here. Do you guys see this? Like, are we gaining strength though? Like, I don't know if we are. Yeah, it is getting strength here, but I think it's gonna get rejected here. I don't think it's gonna break up, to be quite honest, okay? Look at that, spiked up to 773s, right? 775s. So you know what? I want to go out anyways. Like, I don't really care what I make on this profit, to be quite honest, okay, guys? I really don't care what I make on here, but I'm very confident it's gonna drop down very hard in the next few minutes. It's gonna drop down like in 5 minutes, right? This candle is gonna form, then we're gonna get the new histogram, and then if we look at the 20-minute chart here as well, yeah, like on Bitcoin, it's gonna take a nosedive, guys. I've been following this all day already. I look at Dash. I'm gonna go to IOTA now. Okay, let's go to 2-man chart here. And yeah, this is Bitcoin. This is IOTA. I've been following the longs and the shorts. The shorts are starting to rack up a little bit here. All right, 773. Like, look at the 20-minute chart. Okay, it's finally starting to tick down there. The bears are definitely gonna come into play right away. I could just market execute this if I wanted to, and I would get like $400 something, but I don't want to make $400, right? I want to make way more than that. So let's just be a little bit patient on my end and see what I can come up with here. I missed my opportunity already to close down over here, right? There just wasn't enough. But now it looks like we're bouncing off of the 55 EMA, which is definitely of concern to me. I mean, we spiked up a penny already, right? So I could have closed it way earlier if I was actually aggressive. And I think that my position size, despite, you know, IOTA being $50 million, my position size definitely scared the market. There was literally a 1,000, right? And I think the market definitely sensed that as well. I'm talking about 1,000 as in, 100,000 that was showing on the order book right there. So let's just see what else they're gonna do. Are the bears gonna actually just push down right here? It's a very interesting time right now, right? Do you guys see this wick? That's a big wick, guys. Like, that's a big wick right now, right? But the bears are still driving it down, driving it down, driving it down, which means that this one is going to be driven down as well by the bears, right? We see the correlation definitely with all altcoins. So just chill and wait, guys. You'll see what I mean. I'm just going to check my phone in front of you guys. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. I forgot that I was still recording, actually. I gotta get ready to go out right away, honestly. I gotta decide what to wear. I'm being really, really casual today. Super casual day for me, man. Alright, guys. I gotta go to my folks' place, and then I'm going out to a movie, and then I'm gonna go to do this thing called Soul Night. That's right, I'm gonna go for Soul Night to some little bar. Anyways, you guys have yourselves a good night. Watch me market execute this like a boss. 1, 2, bam. We're done with my trade for the day. And I don't mind whatsoever only making $2,400 today. Could have been 3K, but it's not. So cheers, guys. I'm out for the night. I hope you guys enjoyed all the trades and everything else today. Have yourselves a wonderful night. I promise to probably be hungover till about Thursday, so I might not be in tomorrow. But who needs to work when you're making 3K a day? You don't need to work every day, guys. Have a good night. Bye, camera number 1. Bye, camera number 2. Bye, baby whale number 1. Bye, baby whales number 2. See you guys later. Bam. About to take the profit right here. I'm done.